The export of Combat Vehicle 90 infantry fighting vehicles from Sweden to Lithuania represents a pivotal development in Baltic and Nordic defense collaboration, driven by escalating regional security concerns and a collective push for NATO interoperability. The CV90, a tracked armored vehicle developed by BAE Systems Hägglunds, has earned a global reputation for its advanced mobility, firepower, and survivability since its introduction in the 1990s. With Sweden operating over 500 units, and other nations like Norway, Finland, and Estonia adopting the platform, the CV90 has become a cornerstone of modern mechanized forces. Lithuania's decision to acquire approximately 100 CV90s aligns with its ambitious goal of achieving full operational capability for a national division by 2030, a response to heightened geopolitical tensions following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The vehicle's combat-proven performance, notably in Ukraine, underscores its strategic value for Lithuania, which seeks to bolster its mechanized capabilities to deter potential threats in the Baltic region. This acquisition is not merely a procurement, but a multifaceted initiative involving regional production, economic growth, and strengthened defense ties. The agreement, announced on April 22, 2025, by Swedish Prime Minister Ulf Kristersson, outlines a joint procurement initiative involving Sweden, Lithuania, and Norway, with Finland initially considered but later opting out. This collaborative effort aims to acquire several hundred CV90s, with Lithuania securing around 100 units to equip 2 mechanized battalions. Lithuanian Prime Minister Gintautas Paluckas, in an interview on InfoTV's Infodiena reported on April 25, 2025, emphasized Lithuania's significant role in the deal, noting that approximately 30% of the vehicles, potentially 300 of 1,000 total units, will be assembled locally. This arrangement integrates Lithuanian businesses into the supply chain, fostering industrial collaboration with BAE Systems Hägglunds, Europe's largest defense contractor. The joint procurement model is designed to reduce costs, accelerate delivery, and enhance interoperability among NATO allies. Lithuania has raised its defense borrowing limit to 800 million euros in 2024 to finance the acquisition, though the specific financial value of its portion remains undisclosed. A statement of intent is expected to be formalized in spring 2025, with negotiations concluding by year-end, reflecting the urgency of regional defense needs. Delivery and implementation plans prioritize rapid integration to meet Lithuania's 2030 division readiness target. While exact timelines are not fully specified, discussions with BAE Systems Hägglunds in December 2024 underscored the importance of timely delivery. The joint procurement framework is expected to streamline logistics, enabling faster deployment compared to individual purchases. Lithuania plans to establish local maintenance and servicing capabilities to ensure long-term operational sustainability. The local assembly of 30% of the CV90s will involve Lithuanian companies, with terms for industrial cooperation requireable from participating countries by the end of 2025. This approach not only supports Lithuania's defense infrastructure, but also positions it as a key player in regional defense manufacturing, fostering technological advancement and job creation. The CV90's role in Lithuania's armed forces is to complement its recently acquired Leopard 2 tanks, creating a robust, mechanized force capable of addressing modern battlefield challenges. Equipped with 35mm or 40mm autocannons, anti-tank guided missiles, and advanced digital battlefield management systems, the CV90 offers exceptional firepower and situational awareness. Its modular design supports multiple roles, including infantry support, reconnaissance, and command and control, with a top speed of 65 km per hour and a Scania engine delivering up to 1,000 hours power for superior mobility. Enhanced survivability features, such as optional cage armor and active protection systems, make it ideal for Lithuania's operational needs in the Baltic region, which borders Russia. The acquisition strengthens Lithuania's deterrence posture, and aligns with NATO's collective defense strategy, enhancing interoperability with Nordic and Baltic allies. The impact on stakeholders is profound, spanning military, economic, and political dimensions. For the Lithuanian armed forces, the CV90 acquisition significantly enhances mechanized capabilities, ensuring readiness for NATO commitments and regional deterrence. The local defense industry stands to gain from assembly and supply chain integration, with policymakers like Swedish-Lithuania advocating for expanded industrial roles, including potential weapons factories. This creates jobs and elevates Lithuania's status as a defense partner in Northern Europe. BAE Systems Hägglunds benefits from reinforced market dominance, with the contract potentially expanding production and collaboration in the Baltic region. Sweden and Norway gain from cost-sharing, shared logistics, and strengthened defense ties, while NATO allies benefit from a fortified eastern flank. The CV90's adoption by other European nations, such as Slovakia, with 1.3 billion euros for 152 units in 2023, and the Czech Republic, $2.2 billion for 246 units in 2023, highlights its growing role in continental defense. Regionally, the CV90 export bolsters security in the Baltic Sea area, where 5 Nordic Baltic nations face Russia. By enhancing Lithuania's armored capabilities, the initiative counters potential threats, reinforcing NATO's presence amid heightened tensions. The joint procurement fosters military cohesion, improving collective response capabilities and interoperability. Local assembly in Lithuania stimulates economic growth and could attract further Swedish investment, aligning with the broader trend of European defense collaboration. However, increased militarization may escalate tensions with Russia, though it aligns with NATO's deterrence strategy, bolstered by the CV90's proven effectiveness in Ukraine. Ultimately, this initiative strengthens regional resilience, industrial synergies, and the shared commitment to collective security, positioning Lithuania as a vital contributor to NATO's eastern defenses.